AI image generation inside ChatGPT is absolutely exploding right now. Everyone's talking about these stunning Ghibli-style transformations, but most people have no idea how to actually make them work. I just tried this while I was at the gym, and the results are mind-blowing. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First thing you need to know, this only works with ChatGPT Plus, $20 a month, and you must have GPT-4o selected. This won't work on the free version or with older models. The process itself is super simple. Open ChatGPT, make sure GPT-4o is selected in the drop-down at the top. Then take or select any photo you want to transform. Type this exact prompt. Transform this photo into Studio Ghibli animation style with vibrant colors, dreamlike quality, and Miyazaki's signature aesthetic. Upload your photo. Right after typing the prompt, hit send and wait about 30-45 seconds. What happens next is pure magic. The AI completely reimagines your image with that unmistakable Ghibli style. Those soft colors, the dreamlike quality, those signature Miyazaki vibes. Ghibli is just the beginning though. You can create virtually any artistic style just by changing the prompt. Want a Pixar version? Just ask for Pixar 3D animation style with expressive characters and emotional depth. Prefer watercolor? Try convert this into a delicate watercolor painting with soft edges and gentle color washes. Comic book more your thing? Turn this into a dynamic comic book illustration with bold outlines, dramatic shading, and action lines. I've tested cyberpunk, Van Gogh, anime, noir film. Literally any style you can think of works amazingly well. The practical applications go way beyond just fun transformations. You can create custom wedding invitations with illustrated versions of you and your partner that normally cost hundreds from a professional illustrator. You can build a consistent brand image across all your social platforms with a unique artistic style. Create custom gift ideas by transforming photos of friends and family into artwork. Content creators can make illustrations for children's books, product visualizations, or custom thumbnails in seconds instead of hours. After extensive testing, I've discovered some pro tips to get even better results. Always start with high quality photos. Good lighting makes a massive difference. Be super specific about style elements. Mention colors, textures, and specific artists. Don't settle for the first result. If it's not perfect, ask ChatGPT to try again with specific changes. Get creative with style combinations like Ghibli meets cyberpunk or watercolor with comic book elements. Request specific modifications after seeing the initial image. Make the background more dreamlike or emphasize the facial features more. The quality is already impressive and it's improving at a shocking rate. 2 years ago, AI art was full of weird distortions and extra fingers. Now it's creating artwork that's genuinely beautiful and practical for real world use. Whether you're building a brand, creating content, or just having fun, this feature gives you creative capabilities that would have required years of artistic training before. So grab that ChatGPT Plus subscription, select GPT-4o, and start creating art in any style you can imagine. The creative possibilities are endless and you don't need a single artistic bone in your body to make stunning images in seconds.